Avant-Garde Teacher here. Learning is fun. I may not be a pro, but I always work with what I have. And I hope you have fun learning and doing amazing things. If you like this video, click like. Thanks for watching.
How to use Google Drawing and Shapes. All right, let's get started. First, watch the directions all the way through. Click here to watch the directions. After you finish watching the directions, then the second thing you'll want to do is click the video in the middle and watch the shape drawing video. Third, after you watch the shape drawing video, you're going to click on the Google Drawing and create your shape animal. And fourth, click on Submit to open the Google form and submit your drawing link. Okay, here are the directions. The first thing you always want to do is, before you get started, always verify the student is the only active user in Google Accounts. So you're going to go to your browser and you will type account.google.com. Again, in the browser, type account.google.com. And that will open up your accounts menu and show you who's active or signed in Google. Okay, so here we're at the accounts menu, and you see who's the primary account that is in the center. But if you click on the picture, it will drop a drop down and show you exactly all the accounts that are either signed out or signed in. And the easiest thing to do is just sign everyone out, and then we're going to sign in the student that we want to be accessing the computer and Google at this time. Okay, so we've signed everyone out. Now in the center, it's going to pop up and say choose an account. And if the student's account is there, you only have to click on it. If it's not, you will put their email address by clicking on Use Another Account. And then the format for their email address is the first initial or first letter of their first name, the first letter of their last name, their student ID number or their lunch number, @, which is shift2, aldine-isd.org. So use that format and put in their email address only if it's not in that choose account drop down. Then you'll click next, and then you'll enter the password. Now the password for the student is going to be their first initial, their last initial, and then their birthday, which is a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, 4-digit year, and the hashtag sign. If that is not their password, then you can try the second choice is Parker 2019 with a capital P. So the only letter that's capital is the P in Parker. So capital P, ARKER 2019. And then click next. Okay, and so now the student is logged into Google and we're ready to start the activity. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Google Drawings, the yellow hexagon. And we're going to follow that link and it's going to have us make a copy of the Google drawing. After you follow that link, it will have you make a copy. So you're going to click on copy. And now we're on our canvas. So we are going to start making our shape animal. I am going to make a bear, so no bears. So begin making your animal using the shape tool. Now I'm going to slow it down so you can see exactly how to do this. Click on the shape icon. Then click the word shape. Then you can look over the shapes and decide what shape you want. When you select your shape, click on it. Then you drag that shape onto the canvas. Now right here, I'm using some quick keys. Control and C to copy and Control and V to paste. So follow with me and make sure you can see how to do this. Now, to change the color, we're going to use the fill bucket. So click on the fill bucket. Then click on the color you want. Transparent means no color or see-through. And that's all there is to it. Now I'm going to speed up just a bit. Okay, I know I went pretty fast, but now we have some more important stuff, so I'm going to slow down. After you finish your animal, you need to add your name to the file. So go up to the top, double click into the file name, and you're going to delete the words copy of, and you're going to insert your name. Type your name. Next, you're going to add a text box into the canvas, and you're going to add your name and the animal that you did. So right here where it's highlighted is the text box. Click on that, and then you're going to drag the text box out into your canvas, just like you did with your shapes. Then you'll double click into the text box and you'll type in your name with an apostrophe S, and then you will add your animal. So mine is going to say Miss Woods's bear. And you can do all sorts of animals. You can do a cat, you can do a squirrel, you can do a pig, whatever you want to do. You can do a fish. All right. Click on the share button in the upper right hand corner. You can't see it on my screen because it's just off to the right in my screen. Then when you click on it, it'll shade the screen a little bit. And then you're going to click underneath where it says Get Link. You're going to click where it says Change Link Aldine Independent School District. So you click on that. It'll be in blue writing. And then after you click on that, you're going to come over to where it says View or Viewer, and you're going to click that drop down, and you're going to make that word say editor. You want to make it so that everyone in Alding with this link can be an editor. And then click done. And it'll take you back to your canvas. Now, let's click on share again in the upper right hand corner because we need to copy the link. So go back down and click on copy link. Now the link is saved to your clipboard, your digital clipboard. Now we're going to go up to the tab where we originally started with all of the directions. And then we're going to click on the lower red octagon. It's an octagon. We're going to click on the lower red octagon and submit the link. The name is going to change in just a moment. So see that octagon right there? Okay, I want you to click on it and it's going to open up a Google form. When the form opens up, you're going to add your name, your first name, then you're going to add your last name, and you're going to complete the form. And then at the bottom where it says submit the link, you're going to click on it. You're going to hold the control key down and then press V one time. So control V, and that's going to paste that link from your clipboard. And then click submit and you're done. Thanks for watching.